I definitely didn't always know that I wanted to be a photographer. It was something that came very naturally and more of a roundabout way. What I love most about my job is actually the entire creative process. So it's from the start of the idea to then being able to bring that idea to life. I've always known that things like pollution and UV light can be harmful to skin, but I just started learning about blue light, which can also have an impact and lead to premature aging. A key part of my routine is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. It feels super refreshing around my eyes after a long day, and it also helps repair and prevent the visible impact of blue light at night. Instagram has been an amazing tool to share with tons of people what I am working on, and my creative process and style are always evolving, and I think it's nice to be able to share what I'm currently inspired by and what I'm currently working on. I find myself glued to my phone all the time, and I'm always aware of it, and it becomes this embarrassing thing where I'm sitting around at dinner and I'm like, why am I on my phone? I have to be more present. As a photographer, I spend my life looking at screens. Not only can this make it hard to wind down from the day and get a good night's sleep, but I'm realizing it can also have an impact on the look of my skin. So now I'm making a conscious effort to cut down on screen time at night, even enforcing a bedtime for my phone, where I set it down even in another room. I'll use the time before bed to focus on me instead, like making sure I do my nighttime skincare routine, which helps me wind down and feel like I'm getting both my mind and body ready for sleep. Being both behind and in front of the camera on a regular basis, healthy skin is super important to me.